What is going on? What the heck? Paul?
Oh, so I didn't know you'd come back so soon.
What the heck's going on in here?
I'm just shooting an unboxing, Rachel. You know I do these unboxings all the time, and I like to let people know what's going on, what equipment I'm getting, how to use some equipment. You come on, Rachel, come over here. Don't be shy. Let me let the people know what's going on.
There's so much stuff everywhere.
I
This
know.
is a hazard.
I know. Well, earlier today I had a shoot, and it got wild, to say the least. It was a lot of costumes, a lot of yelling. It got kooky and crazy, but it was fun, and that's why I had to put the whole backdrop down. Now, if you guys have not seen this backdrop before, we did a video a couple years ago about putting this backdrop up, and it was a beaut. And I love to use it because I like to show it off and let people know, hey, we put this thing up. Actually, the help of Rachel helped me put this up. And super helpful, super kind of her. But now I'm going over the GVM slider. Now, I just did a little unboxing for it, and I'm learning how to set it up and put it together. So, I'm excited to kind of use this in sketches and bits that I'm doing. And you guys are getting a little behind the scenes of what it all takes to put one of these videos together. Now, Rachel, can we get a little scan see all the lights that I have right now? All right, yeah, do a little whole tour of the place. I know, and it's not super clean when you're shooting. It's not super clean when you're shooting. Well, you got to put up the lights. But when you're on camera, you don't always see what's going on behind the closed doors. You don't always see it. You only see what's happening in front of the camera, as you guys all know. So, but life's been good. We got back from New York. If you guys followed the pizza adventures of Rachel and I, you saw us eat a lot of slices of pizza. Now we're working those slices off, and we actually signed up for a boxing class. Yeah, you heard that right, boxing class. So, in a few months, by the end of summer, you're going to be seeing, oh, you know what, I wanted this horizontal.
Oh.
But it's okay. That's the whole fun part of shooting, it is what it is. But we did a boxing class, which was really fun. It's really fun. It's getting me nice and worked out. So tank top summer will be back in full force like it was a couple years ago. Rachel loved that, and I know a few people were promoting the tank top summer, so I'm excited to maybe show it off again if I can fit the tank tops again. I've been putting on some LBs because of all that pizza, so now I got to work back and get to where I was in 2021, so I can just be who I am again and just show off all the goods, but only the amount that Rachel allows me to show off. But I'm excited. Michael Henry and I did about 5 sketches over the last couple weeks. So we got a lot of editing to work on. We're gonna get a lot of good content from his channel, and I have a new season of We Host coming around the corner with Darren Bluestone and Zach Noe Towers. We're gonna be shooting this week. So if you like the content I'm putting out, just stay tuned for more on these guys' channels, and then obviously stay tuned for this unboxing video and more usage out of this slider. And stay tuned for my boxing arms, because my boxing arms are about to explode like Popeyes did at one time. Well, hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to leave you here with a quote. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but you always have each other, which is the most important part of the day. And that's my quote. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. Hopefully you have another wonderful night wherever you are. And I'm actually just going to go to sleep. I'm going to leave this mess with you, Rachel.
What the heck?
Good luck with this.
Oh, jeez. All right.
And there's no pizza, Rachel, in the fridge.
No pizza.